Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Samsung 32-inch LCD TV. Not turning on and has no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you are new to this channel and found it informative, so make sure you like, share and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. The TV has no power, so let's check the main fuse. This is an old video. As you can see, I was still using my old digital multimeter. The main fuse is okay. Also the DC line fuse is okay. The main primary capacitor is discharged now, only 3.1 volts remaining. I almost deleted this video I filmed a year ago, but then I realized it hadn't been edited or uploaded to my channel yet. It would be such a shame to let it go to waste. Trust me, you won't regret giving it a watch. Let's remove the power board so we can check the other component. Seems someone already repaired it, because some joints are freshly soldered. This area is the standby supply. Let's measure the voltage on this capacitor terminals. Let's set the multimeter down to the 10 volt range. As you can see, the voltage only kicks. Let's set the multimeter to resistance. Seems there is no low resistance at the capacitor terminals line that may cause the voltage to kicks only. Let's measure the VCC of the PWM IC. The voltage is stable at about 22 volts. Seems the VCC is okay. The standby regulator is 3BR1065JF, I think it is defective, so let's remove it. The previous technician who worked on this TV was unable to make the necessary repairs. It seems likely that they did not have the required replacement IC. I don't have 3BR1065JF, so let's replace it with the STRW6053N. Three BR1065JF and STRW6053N have different pin arrangements. So let's rearrange the STRW6053N pins to the right slots. Don't forget to apply a thermal paste before screw the STRW6053N. Applying thermal paste is crucial for the optimal performance of the device. The drain pin is not making contact with the soldering pad, so we need to extend it using copper wire. We need to connect pins 5 and 7 by soldering them together. These pins will later be connected to the ground. The pins 1, 3, and 4 are inserted on the right slats. Only pins 5, 6, and 7 are wired to the correct connections. If you would like to learn more about connecting the pins of the STRW6053N, please check the description below for additional videos. This is the feedback pin, 6. While these are the BR pin, 5, and ground pin, 7. Let's connect pin 6 to the right connection. We will connect it to pin 4 of the optocoupler, which is also connected to the Zener diode. So we can solder the wire in the cathode of the Zener diode. You can pull the wire to ensure that the connection is secure. Let's connect pins 5 and 7 to the ground by soldering them to the terminal of this resistor. I apologize if the soldering of the wires is not good. Let's solder pins 1, 3, and 4. All connections are properly connected. Let's remove the fuse and solder a resistor to the fuse line. This way, even if we miss the correct connections, it will prevent any sparks or fire in the circuit. Or you can simply insert the fuse and test it out. The decision is yours. Let's check if the output voltage is stable now. Our voltage is now stable at approximately 5 volts. Let's test it with the digital multimeter to measure the voltage. The reading shows a stable 5.2 volts. It appears that the standby power supply is functioning properly now. We can remove the resistor and insert the fuse. Let's reconnect the power board and check if it will work. The TV appears to be working properly now.
A few moments later.
The TV is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can support this channel by showing your appreciation through likes and subscriptions. You can also activate the notification bell to receive updates. Once again, I'm Teps. See you again later. Bye for now.